Now let's consider this first reaction. We have a formaldehyde molecule and Grignard reagent is acting on it. Now we know that aldehydes and ketones, basically the carbonyl compounds, they show nucleophilic addition reaction. So this electron shifts here. It will give slightly negative and slightly positive charge. Now Grignard reagent is a source of carboanions, R negative and MgX positive. So we can clearly see that this R negative will attack this carbon, while this MgX will attack this oxygen. So the product obtained will be HCHROMgX. Now, in the next step, we can add any mineral acid which is a source of H positive, and this MgX will be replaced by this H. And we will obtain 1 degree alcohol. So the first reaction is formaldehyde reacts with Grignard reagent, then we can obtain 1 degree alcohol. Now the second reaction. Now suppose in place of this formaldehyde molecule, we take any other aldehyde molecule. And we react it with the Grignard reagent again. Again, there will be nucleophilic addition reaction. The product obtained will be RCHROMgX. Now suppose if I add again H positive here, the product will be RCHR and OH. That is a 2 degree alcohol. So we can clearly see with the reaction of formaldehyde with Grignard reagent, we can obtain 1 degree alcohol. But with any other aldehyde with Grignard reagent, we can obtain 2 degree alcohol. Now suppose Grignard reagent reacts with the ketones. The third reaction is reaction of Grignard reagent with the ketone molecule. So again there will be nucleophilic addition reaction. Again, if we add H positive, this will be replaced by MgX. And we can obtain a 3 degree alcohol. So here we can clearly see that with the formaldehyde we can obtain 1 degree alcohol. With any other aldehyde we can obtain 2 degree alcohol. With ketones we can obtain a 3 degree alcohol molecule. So 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols, they can be prepared from Grignard reagent reacting with aldehydes and ketones. Now let's see how the molecule of Grignard reagent reacts with the carbon dioxide. Again, there will be a nucleophilic addition reaction. Now again, if we add H positive here, it will be replaced by this MgX, and we can get carboxylic acids. So we can prepare 1 degree alcohols, we can prepare 2 degree alcohols, we can prepare 3 degree alcohols and carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent.